Hey, it's Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Now we just got a bunch of these Scramblers. Okay, these normally sold for like $129. It's ready to run. They have a battery in them. It's a rechargeable battery, runs about 20 minutes. You get, this is the car that you get. Now, let me explain to you why these cars are really great for kids and startup. Okay, so if you're buying a car like this at Walmart or anything, it's not anything like this. It's not going to have the suspension. It's not going to have the rechargeable battery. It's a cheaper car. It's not going to have this type of servo. It's not going to have the suspension like this car does. This car will run and run and run, okay, for the dollar. That's why these are great. We're going to be offering these. These will be listed at ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. And let's see here. I don't know if I have. Oh, that's cool. I just noticed something. This is a place where you can put a spare battery, I think. No, it's not. All right, I was wrong there. I was wrong about that one. Now let's see here. Okay, that's turned off. Let's see here. I don't even have the batteries in it yet. That box is falling apart, literally falling apart. Oh my gosh, everything's falling apart. What do you want?
Buy one, get one.
Buy one, get one free. I don't know. We shouldn't have said that. You dummy. Let me get the batteries in that remote. I just wanted to do a quick video on, we're going to do another video on this, but I just wanted to show you the price on this thing is, oh my gosh, it's going to be awesome. I mean, you're not going to be able to get this car for the price that I'm offering it. Plus, watch this, 4-wheel drive. It's got a metal shaft going to front and back, okay, and watch how fast it is. Now I got to charge the battery. I always recommend to get an extra battery, okay, on my units, because these have been sitting in a warehouse for a while, but that's why my prices, these are a closeout. These are no longer made, so they're a closeout pricing. The price you're going to get is phenomenal. You're not going to get this price anywhere else, okay? You might get a China version, but these are a lot higher quality, okay? Okay, so you got your steering. Look at that, full. Look at that. That is just awesome. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh gosh. Okay, so this is the Scrambler, and it just scrambled my desk. At ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is item 19,000 at ProTinkerToys.